Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by defining clear recovery objectives, RTO and RPO, then prioritize services to protect. Next, enable AWS organizations and AWS config so you can audit and enforce settings. Create cross-account IAM roles for your recovery account and tag resources consistently to drive automation. Once done, set up S3 buckets for backups with versioning and lifecycle rules, and enable continuous snapshots for RDS and EBS to capture point-in-time data. You now automate everything. Write CloudFormation or Terraform to recreate VPCs, subnets, and security groups so recovery is predictable. Configure AMI baking and scheduled EBS snapshots, and ensure RDS has automated backups or read replicas in the target region. Enable S3 cross-region replication and, where needed, continuous replication for block storage. Then, wire up Route 53 health checks and weighted failover entries. Make sure deployment pipelines can push to the recovery region without manual steps. You finish by running a full disaster recovery test, failover to the recovery account, and validate application behavior end-to-end. Measure actual RTO and RPO, then adjust snapshot cadence, replica settings, and automation gaps. If something breaks, check IAM trust relationships and encryption key access first. Those are frequent culprits. Finally, update runbooks and monitoring thresholds and schedule periodic drills. Make sure to restore services back to primary region as part of the test, so you exercise failback too.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.